Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Graham and today I'm going to show you around this 2016 Mini Cooper SD. Now this is a 168 brake horsepower 2 litre diesel engine capable of over 75 miles to the gallon. Wonderful in a climate like we have today, and yet looks as good as this. Very good selling vehicles. The Cooper S has the full body kit, so it's got different front bumper, different back bumper, and this one is finished in the gorgeous Moonwalk metallic paintwork. Now there's some very, very nice options on this car, over £3,500 to be in fact, and we're going to look around it. I'm going to show you around it. I'm going to highlight the features of the vehicle and just how nice the condition of it is. So as I said, this car's finished in the Moonwalk metallic paintwork. Now that is a very, very nice sort of mid-metallic, almost pearlescent colour. Always a very good selling colour, that. Favourite of mine in any Mini. It really does set off the lines of the vehicle. Now the Cooper S, you can see straight away, that has a different bonnet and a different front bumper to the standard Mini or even the standard Cooper. Now this particular car has had the option of the 17-inch alloy wheels. Now they're finished in the high gloss black as well. Another option on the vehicle is the black mirror caps and the black contrast roof. So the combination goes really, really well. Black wheels, black mirror caps, black roof, Moonwalk grey metallic. The front grille then has the piano black detail with the chrome around it, and we then get the S model and the decor rings on the headlamps. I do like those decor rings on these cars, it just sets it out. So daytime running lights, or decor rings as they call them. The S has then the S badges on the wings. Looking down the sides of the car, we're free from any trolley dents or marks. It's a really, really nice vehicle all round. We've got then the black trims up against the windows. Clear glass in this one, just slightly tinted from the factory. Coming round to the rear, the Cooper S has a standard centre exhaust twin pipe, and then we get the diffuser. So the full body kit and the full finished article really does stand out. We get a slight tailgate spoiler on the top, and then the black detailing around the number plate as well, and then the Cooper SD. Boots on these are fantastic, lovely. We've got a set of tailored mats in there as well, which have fully been washed. We don't want them getting dirty before you come and buy it. And then the boot floor adjusts, and we've then got the tyre inflation kit in there aftermarket. But the boot itself, very nice size, capable of carrying all the shopping, a little pram if you need. But all in all, ample space in there. All the wheels are in superb condition. Now when we go into detailing and pre-delivery inspection, we do remove the wheels from the vehicle. We do wash them inside out. We detail the calipers and detail the discs as well, so that it looks new when you come to collect it or to look at it. Any little imperfections on the wheels we will then improve, so that the car is as good as we possibly can get it for a 16 plate. So for an 8-year-old car, it's as good as we can get. Now hopping inside the car, this particular vehicle has the chili pack. So that's a £2,400 option. What does a chili pack have, I hear you say? Well, that gets part leather interior. Now this is the grey, which I really, really like. It's got a lovely sort of sporty checker feel to that. They then get the contrast white stitch, and the seat bases and the bolsters are all in lovely order. We get the black high gloss detail on the interior. The chrome then is just pings off that. Electric windows, electric door mirrors. We're greeted by the Mini Cooper S sill plates in aluminium, and then as we pop into this, it's one I've not seen in before, and this is the checker detail on the dash. Look at that, it looks absolutely top dollar, absolutely beautiful. Now the decker ring can be changed down here, so depending on your drivings, we can effectively adjust that to different colours, and it basically sets the car up different then. So if you want a go-kart mode and stuff like that, you'd have to read the book to do all of that. So low consumption driving. Phone green is obviously for green, and there you go, typical driving. But we can do lots of stuff on this. We get the digital climate control as part of the chili pack rather than just a standard manual aircon. We've got a USB, and we've also got auxiliary. We've then got Bluetooth telephone, onboard computer. We get the leather steering wheel in trimmed up as well, with multifunction features of cruise control and radio controls also on there. Now, onboard computer, automatic wipers, 50,302 miles, as it just jumps to that. We can quickly go through. So the last owner's been getting 54.6 miles to the gallon at 31 miles an hour. So a bit more round town stuff. That's not bad, is it? I'd quite be happy with that. We then get the suede gear knob. Drivers and passenger seats are as good as each other, and they're in exceptional condition. You can send the bases forward, but this interior is gorgeous. It's one of those that I've not seen on many, and I think I would go with it myself. It's lovely to sit in, very comfortable, very supportive, not digging in your back, but everything about it is wonderful. The sound system's great, bit of Jerry Cinnamon. Have yourself a little disco in here. Switch that off, turn down the air conditioning because that's lovely. Car's just drying out, but a lovely car. Now, I don't smoke, and I can say the last owner hasn't as well, because it still has that really nice, clean, fresh smell in this vehicle. Now, let's have a look in the back, because that is as good as the front. Very, very well cared for car. Loads of space, loads of room. As you can see, we've got Isofix chairs, the leatherette and the leather and the cloth looks superb in that vehicle. Now, if you'd like to reserve this car, give me a call. There's Lee, there's Dom, and there's myself, Graham. We'll take a £250 fully refundable deposit, as when you get to Wigan, if the car's not for you, as it's not described, which has never happened yet, we will refund your deposit. If you've got a part exchange, give us a call, we'll give you a price over the phone, and if the car is as you described it when you arrive with us in Wigan, that's the price we pay. Now, if you need finance, have a check our finance application or underneath this vehicle. All the service documentation's there. There's 60 plus pictures on our website. Have a look on social media. You'll see lots of customers from all over the country who've come once, collected their car. Check out our reviews on Auto Trader. There are verified reviews. Check out our reviews on all these social media sites and also on Google. But as for now, in the rain as it starts, thanks for watching the video, and I look forward to your inquiry.